In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix all the errors, the problems that you encounter when you want to have fun. You just want to play the game and suddenly the game is just crashing. There's errors. So in this video, I'm trying my best to help you. I know how annoying it is. I know it's a frustrating situation. So please be patient and wait for me and watch this video till the very end so you can see what's the solutions that I will show you. And I encountered myself as well, and that's the solutions I'll show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video, and also if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I really like to create these types of tutorial. I love creating tutorials, and make sure you subscribe. This really helped me a lot. So now let's jump right into this video. This is the first step. Go to device manager and make sure you go to device adapters. You expand. Okay, and you here update driver, browse on my list. Make sure here you select your driver so you can properly update your driver. But there's another way. You can also go to Windows Update, and here you can click on device advanced settings, and here make sure you see you should see an optional updates, and make sure you expand this, and then you expand update driver updates, and here you should see all the updates that are available on your computer. And make sure you update. When I bought this laptop, I had the same problem, and the solution is to simply update all the drivers on your computer / on your laptop. So it's very important. And now also go to Frycry 6. You right click, you go to properties, and you also make sure you go to compatibility and you run this program as an administrator. Okay, make sure you're doing that. And also when you open the game, because when I opened the game, the game started to just crashed. And I found a solution. I usually have this habit of just leaving a lot of apps in the background, as you can see right now. Like for instance, I have DaVinci Resolve right now opened and I don't use it. So yeah, I just have to get rid of this habit, to just stop doing this, to change this habit with something more productive. Kind of, it's annoying. Okay. Excuse me. And another thing that I do to improve my computer is to go to settings. You can also right click here, go to settings, and here you can also see here storage. Make sure you select storage, so system, and then here you should see where is it? You should see storage. So click on storage, and then here we have our storage. Make sure you go to temporary files. Make sure you check all of this, downloads and thumbnails. And if you have any files that are important in the downloads file, that's fine, you can leave it on. But make sure other stuff here, temporary files, you can click on remove files. This will just help your computer to perform better. And that's about it, guys. Let me know in the comment section if this video helps you. I would like to read your feedback, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, I really help this YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.